Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about irrigation. Let us first try to understand the meaning of irrigation. Irrigation is the process of supplying water to crops at regular intervals. Regular intervals means we have to supply water at proper timing. Why? To help them grow properly. If we don't supply water to crops, crops will not grow properly. It is essential, and why irrigation is essential or important? Because rainfall is often irregular and it is also insufficient in many areas. Like we know in Rajasthan, there is less rainfall, so we cannot depend on rainfall. That's why we take help of irrigation, where we supply water to crops at regular intervals. Now let us understand the importance of irrigation. First, irrigation provides water during dry periods. Dry period means when there is less rainfall or no rainfall at all. So it ensures crops don't dry up when rainfall is low. Second importance is it helps in better growth of crops. We know water is needed for photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, and to make their own food they need water. And it also helps in transport of nutrients to all the parts of the plants. Third importance is it improves soil fertility. Okay, soil fertility means soil that is rich in minerals and nutrients. Okay, so imagine this is water and all the nutrients and minerals are dissolved in water, and then these nutrients are absorbed by plants through their roots, and they then grow in better way. Fourth importance is it increases crop yield. Crop yield means crop production. Regular and proper irrigation results in more and better quality produce. It helps farmers to grow better yield and they get benefit from it, right? Now, what are the sources of irrigation? First one is wells and tube wells. Through these, groundwater that is present inside the soil is pumped to the surface for irrigation. Second source is canals. So water from rivers is distributed through a network of canals. Third is ponds and lakes. Ponds and lakes can be natural or man-made, and they help in storage of water for local use. Both sources are dams and reservoirs. Dams and reservoirs are large scale water storage systems that are used for irrigation and electricity. There are mainly two methods of irrigation. First one is traditional and second one is modern. Let us first understand traditional methods of irrigation. First traditional method of irrigation is moat, that is also known as pulley system. Moat or pulley system is one of the oldest irrigation method. Here is a picture of moat or pulley system. You can see here a rope and bucket are used to draw water from a well, and this water is underground. Second thing, this bucket is tied to a rope that passes over a pulley, making it easier to lift, and through the help of pulley water is pulled out. It is simple, labor intensive, but can water only a small area. Second traditional method is chain pump. Here, as the name suggests, it consists of a chain with small containers or discs attached. Okay, discs and chain. The chain runs over two wheels. Here you can see one above and one below. Okay? When the chain moves by hand or animal, the containers lift water from a source and pour it into irrigation channels. Third one is Dakely. This Dakely works like a lever system. You can see a long wooden beam. This is a long wooden beam balanced on a support. Here is a support. One end has a bucket and the other has a counterweight like a stone. When the counterweight is lifted, okay, it is lifted above, the bucket dips into the well, making it easier to draw water with less effort. And fourth traditional method is Rahat. Okay, this is also known as Persian wheel. This method uses a large wheel. Here you can see a large wheel fitted with small buckets around its rim. Animals such as bullocks or camels turn this wheel. Okay, as the wheel turns, buckets lift water from the well and empty it into the channel. It can draw more water than other traditional methods but still depends on animal power. Okay, so all these traditional systems were important before electric or diesel pumps were invented. They have many disadvantages, like they require more time, effort, labor, and often lead to water wastage, which is why they have largely been replaced by modern irrigation techniques like sprinkler and drip systems that we are going to understand now. First one is sprinkle system. In this method, water is pumped through pipes, okay, and it is sprayed into the air through rotating nozzles, just like rainfall. Okay, and it is best suited for sandy soil and uneven lands where water cannot spread evenly by traditional flooding. Okay, so what are its advantages? It saves water. You can see here no water is wasted. Okay, so it saves water by avoiding wastage. It is suitable for a variety of crops like vegetables, lawns, coffee, tea. Okay, it prevents soil erosion and it helps maintain uniform soil moisture. Second system is drip system. In this system, water flows through narrow pipes and drips slowly near the base or slowly near the roots of each plant. It is best suited for regions with irregular rainfall. What are its advantages? It is highly water efficient. It saves up to 70% water. It minimizes weed growth. Okay, what are weed? They are unwanted plants. It reduces fertilizer use. Nutrients can be added directly into the water. It ensures better growth and yield, especially in fruits and vegetables crops like tomato, grapes, banana, and sugarcane. Both sprinkle and drip systems are designed to use water efficiently. These methods save labor, improve crop productivity, making them the preferred choice for modern sustainable agriculture. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.